We're excited. We're staying at a new Harvest Host. This is conveniently located about a mile off a major highway, and this one's different. We haven't stayed at something like this before. We're gonna do our full modified campground / Harvest Host review, tell you what we like, tell you what we don't like, what features they have, and we'll be back.
So we always talk first about our must-haves when we stay somewhere, and the first one is a decent location. So where are we? We are at Dave's RV Center in Danbury, Connecticut. Where else could you stand your motorhome? And if you see what we're looking at is just a line of beautiful motorhomes. So if you're shopping, this is a good place to come too. Dave's RV Center is located about a mile off Route 84. So if you're coming from New York, New Jersey, or coming south, it's a great stopping point. Also, this location is very close to many things that you would need. So there's a Walmart literally 2 minutes down the road. Walking distance to restaurants, and there's, I think, the Dollar General. There's tons of things in the area. You're also close to some of the best pizza in the whole world. We're in Connecticut, the pizza capital of the world, and we did go to Frank Pepe's Pizzeria.
Pretty good.
It was good. It was good. They have different Frank Pepe's in different areas, but we went to the Danbury one. It was really good. It's only about 8-minute drive from this Harvest Host, so it's definitely worth a stop.
So much we need to go over, we need to cover, but we do want to thank the sponsor of this video. It's going to be RV Snap Pad. RV Snap Pad makes permanent jack pads that go attached to your jack feet, and they're pretty awesome. We
had ours on Nelly for years. Right when we first got Nelly, it was one of the first upgrades we've done. We actually have ours on order now for Stella. But some perks about RV Snap Pads, you have permanent jack pads installed at all times. It's just so it makes things so much easier. They are going to give you increased stability for your landing feet. They're going to help protect those jack feet from any type of bending or damage. Many resorts and campgrounds are requiring you to have something on the bottom of those jack feet, and it can help if you're on soft surfaces, on sand or grass or whatever, and it just gives you more stability.
Now, a lot of people will use wooden blocks. Right now, we're not using wooden blocks because we are using these stack pads until our snap pads come in, and these are rated for 40,000 pounds. Look how nice this looks. You know, here's the thing. We're in a motorhome now. Like the wooden blocks don't look as good. Something like this, it complements it. It looks a lot nicer. It just looks nicer.
That's snooty.
But these are great.
That sounds snooty.
And here's the thing, these don't break down. They're made out of polymer, and they're adjustable. Awesome. So you can go like 2 inches fully thick, or you want to go a little bit small, and they stack on top of each other, and they have the built-in handles. We keep 8 of them on there. That's what's down right now until our snap pads come in. They're made out of 100% recycled material in the USA, so it's made in the USA product. They're a huge supporter of our channel. If you go to RVsnappad.com, use the discount code
Endless10.
You always get 10% off. Again, we've been using them for years. The only time we didn't use them was when our trailer was out. I don't even know if they were out at that point, because that was probably 8 or 9 years ago.
And we haven't used them yet because we're waiting for them to be delivered.
We had to get pads.
Yes, we do.
If you want more information on RV Snap Pads, we'll put the link and our discount code down below. The next must-have is the site size, getting in and out, or just access roads. Now, this is an RV dealership, and they sell motorhomes, so everything is bigger, so you have no problem. You can see where Stella's parked right here. She actually looks tiny because you have one site here, then there's another Harvest Host, and then I think there's 2 more behind it. Very, very nice. Let's talk about the leveling. You're off by a couple inches. We're able to level, no issue. So here's the entrance. It's wide. If you look behind us, 37-foot motorhome, like 36, 37, that's around 38 feet, 43 feet, 40 feet, 43 feet, 43 feet. Everything, what I'm saying is take into account these are large motorhomes. You still have a lot of room in here. We have full hookups. We're going to show you all that. And then behind this is 2 more full hookup sites. This is not perfectly level, but it's within a couple inches. So we're able to level. It's asphalt, which is nice. You're not going to get stuck. No issue here.
We've been to some Harvest Hosts that were extremely unlevel.
Yeah.
This was a very easy.
And we don't stay on grass, ever. We can't. Let's talk about the cell signal on AT&T. You have 2 bars, 5G, 282 down, 2.69 up. Starlink, there's a wide open sky. We didn't even put it up, but If you do the full hookup option here, you're gonna get Wi-Fi also.
The last must-have for many of you, if you're traveling full-time with your pets, and we are going to have Bowser a lot more with us now as we hit the road more down the line, they do allow pets. And what's great about this area is that there's plenty of room to walk your dogs. So right behind us is a wide open parking lot. There's grass right across the street. There is a hotel, which is a pet-friendly hotel, so they have like the doggy bags and the garbage cans for the waste, and plenty of grassy areas over there to walk. Now, in this part of our criteria, our review, we usually get into the like to haves. Now again, this can differ for a lot of harvest hosts, but this is a great harvest host. So we'll talk about the cost at the end, but one thing they do offer at Dave's RV Center Harvest Host is full hookups, which is great. Many harvest hosts, I search harvest hosts a lot, you'll either get electric, sometimes the 15, 30 amp, you'll get a water source. This has everything. So you can have power, water, sewer. It's great.
And internet.
And internet. So if you pay $65, you will get water, sewer, electric, and Wi-Fi, which is great. And it's good Wi-Fi too.
Next, let's talk about space and overhang. No overhang here. Lots of space to turn around, to get in, to get out, lots of space on your site for your slides. This is a motorhome dealership. It's made for motorhomes.
Now let's get into the bonuses. This is always the fun part. And this Harvest Host has some really, really good bonuses. The first one is, and we've already taken part in this, is they have a huge parts store, and we've already purchased some parts that we needed.
They have motorhomes here, so if you like motorhomes and you want to look in and out, or you're shopping for a motorhome, they only sell new Newmars, but occasionally they do get different brand used ones. They actually have a Redwood fifth wheel in here. This is not exclusive to motorhomes to come stay here, by the way. It doesn't matter what you have, you're good to go. Another great bonus is that when you are here during business hours, you have access to Dave Jr., who is a wealth of knowledge on motorhomes. He loves to talk, he loves to help people. So if you're having some issues, especially with a Newmar, this guy knows Newmars like you know your children. He knows them in and out because he's been selling them here for over 40 years. We named a couple of things. He knew exactly where to go. Like, oh, it's a 15, yes, here. Wealth of knowledge, that is a huge bonus if you're having some kind of issue, you have questions. Not
even just if you're a harvest host, looking for a harvest host, if you're local to the area and looking for good service or looking to talk to somebody that knows what they're talking about, this is a good place to come.
The final most important bonus is that you're helping a small business that's been here for 40 plus years. This was Dave Sr., who still rides around on his scooter, and if you get here on a Friday, he might take your order for an egg sandwich for Saturday morning. His son has been running it for a while. Like everybody still comes to work. It's a small crew. It's like a staple of the community, and you're helping them.
Right. And another bonus of this Harvest Host that I don't see a lot is full hookups. We don't see full hookups a lot on Harvest Host. Again, you'll see water or maybe electric, but this has everything. And of course, it's for a fee, but if you're stopping and you need that, this is a great place. Let's talk about the deal breakers. Not all of them apply to Harvest Host, but number one is Google reviews. They have a 4.9.
That's on Harvest Host. And then we go down Google, they're very high also.
Also, right. In the workers, we always talk about the workers. They are here to help. They are here to talk to you. If you want to go shop, they're definitely going to help. And they're just very friendly. And believe it or not, it's the tri-state area, and you're getting friendly people, so that's good.
Next one, let's talk about safety. I feel safe here. It's well lit, there's cameras everywhere. It's kind of like in a commercial area, so it's kind of quiet per se at nighttime. There's not much going on back here, but we feel completely safe here.
In the comments below, let us know, have you ever stayed at Dave's RV Center before? Have you stayed at other Harvest Host locations? Are you a Harvest Host member? Let us know down below.
If you like videos like this to the left of us, we'll put our RV travel vlogs playlist. We'll also put our RV campground reviews playlist. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime. And we'll see you on the road.